2 is Dallas Dick with Red Nation Oil and Gas. Red Nation Oil and Gas, owned by Hereditary Chiefs, Leaders, and McGinnis Enterprises. Developing innovative energy with our hereditary lands and resources. And at barrel number 1 is Doug Irvine with CGIS DSS.
Number 3 barrel with his XL Project Screw, having a tough week. He's sitting 26th in the aggregate. For the former champion of the Rangeland Derby just 8 years ago. On that 2 barrel, it's Dallas Dick, Triple D, we call him Dallas Dick from Newberry, Alberta. And the big green machine takes Red Nation Oil and Gas through the paces on that 2 barrel, sitting 25th in the aggregate. And on the number 1 barrel, Doug Irvine and CGIS Valves and Technology. He's got the 19th spot sewn up. A guy that's twice been in the semifinals. And back in, 12 years ago, he was the reserve champion of the Cowboys Rangeland Derby. Doug Irvine's outriders tonight feature Rory Jarvis, a 3-time world champion, and 7 consecutive times the Outstanding Outrider Award winner. He's joined on the stroll duties by Trey McGillivray. Dallas Dick will feature his son Wyatt Dick, his wife Lexi's son Wyatt Dick as well, and Tyler DeSitter. And Wyatt, it's your birthday today. Happy birthday, Wyatt. I fired a little early yesterday, and for Mitch, or Kirk Sutherland rather, it's Ethan Manuello, and Mitch and Heather's son, Weston Sutherland, that will be in the outriding crew on that outfit. On the number 3 barrel as Kirk sets up, Dallas sets up. He's patient, guys, and we still got Doug coming into the number 1 barrel. Take a deep breath. And Doug's about 30 feet away from being where he needs to be, Kirk, in Dallas. And we're just easing him all in. He's got a bit of a wonky team, so all right, we're just about there. Now is where I tell you, quiet on the set, heat number 1. There's the horn, and the charge is underway. Stills go in. Outriders now up, and Captain Kirk says, "Baby, I'm starting out here." He's got Dallas Dick on the rail. Triple D's got Gary Watson. Doug Irvine doing a little fishing for some lines, and he's got his lead team pointing in the right direction now. They're in a really bunch, but he gets out there to get things handled, and all the barrels are standing. That's important. And our Smithfield Hats Outlanders hustling to catch their respective wagons. Now here's what's trending in the backstretch drive. You see Kirk Sutherland and XL Project Screw. He's got about a horse-length lead over Dallas Dick in his Red Nation Oil and Gas chuck wagon. And back about a furlong over the pace, we've got Doug Irvine with a shaky start. And CGIS DSS Valves better open the valve because the blow was into the 3rd turn and the 4th turn already. And here they come, setting up for the home stretch drive. Calgary, it's your turn. And the disappointed out there for CGIS Valves and Technology rolls into the 3rd in heat number 1. Hey, if you like it, they can still hear you. Well, we'll be able to watch it all again as you focus your eyes on that Ovintiv Superboard. And there you see Kirk Sutherland. He won this show back in 2016 in an aggregate title that year as well. And then you see Dallas Dick, the Red Nation towering around that 2nd barrel. They come out all side by each, but Dallas gets that rail away, and Doug Irvine having some steering problems on the front end. And horses have good days and bad days, and Doug's lead team was having bad days today. Only Doug Irvine can drive through a storm like that. So as you watch that big